What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a damn good show for you today, guys. We got a very important show for you today, guys. So stick around, smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe and follow from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Because today, I'm going to be talking about something completely different, something that I've never taught anybody before. So if you don't want to miss important information, go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe. I stream on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my price actions and no reason not to get to know how I trade. Guys, we got a damn good show for you today, guys. We got a very important show we got to be talking about, and I'm going to be introducing you into the wonderful world of indicators. So we're going to be talking about that today. I'm going to be sharing with you what are the type of indicators that I use when I do my trading. There's very few indicators that I actually trust and actually use when I do my trades. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an introduction of what type of indicators I use when we're talking about trading crypto. And we're also going to be talking about the markets. Are they going to go up? Or are they going to go down? Are they going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. If you're on YouTube, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream. I try to stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So, guys, thank you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Big shout out for everybody here. Big shout out for everybody over on the Twitch channel. You guys are awesome. Everybody over on the YouTube, you guys are amazing like always. And also the people over here in Facebook, you guys are awesome just like always. Big shout out for everybody here. Also, guys, if you have any coins, anything you want to look at, anything in specific you want to see, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do my technical analysis on whatever coins you want to look at. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. That's what we're here for. You got me for a little hour of power. So take advantage of it and ask any questions that you guys have. We are here to answer any questions that you guys need, okay? So strap on. Let's go into it. Let's set up the charts. We're going to go in it today. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Get your TradingView account running. We're going to go in it today. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see who gets here. And we'll start the call last. It's a beautiful Friday, my man. You know how it is. Taking it easy, chilling like a villain. Going little by little, trying to make these gains. Let's see what are my trades doing right now? They're not doing jack shit. Bitcoin is on a little bit of a stalemate right now. We're going some sideways action. We're probably going to see some more downwards action. I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already, because we're going to go in it today, guys. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP price goes. It's a given fact. Go ahead and smash the like button for whatever platform you're looking on me at, guys. We're going to go in it today. So big shout out for everybody here. Let me place it over here. Let me place that over there. Boom, boom, boom. Go in it today. All right, cool. Let me put this over here, guys. Give it a little bit of technical issues here. Give me a second so I can make sure that I can read out the chat box on all my streaming software. All right, we're good. I think we're good. Are we good? Yeah, we're good. We are live on all the streaming platforms, guys. We're going to go in it today. Yeah, there we go. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I stream on every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Today we're going to talk about something very, very, very important. I'm going to be showing you what are the indicators that I'm using. I know you guys were asking for it from the last live stream, so I said, you know what, let's just bite the bullet and give you guys the information right here. There are only 3 indicators that I use, okay? 3 indicators that I trust a lot. They've been very profitable. Now, one thing that you need to know is that all indicators are lagging indicators. What you're trying to do with indicators are suggesting what direction the price might go, okay? Indicators are only for suggestions. Where do you think the price is going to go? Indicators help you figure out what direction the market might go. Okay, they're not set in stone. They don't work 100% of the time. They're not a time machine. So take every indicator with a grain of salt because it just doesn't work every single time. Okay, it's like, let's say that your car keys don't turn on your car every single day. Then your car keys don't work, right? That's the same thing, the same mentality that you need to have with indicators. You cannot just trade with just by following indicators. It doesn't work like that. You're probably going to fail. Okay, but the indicators that I'm going to be giving you today have a very, very high win rate. And if you can back test all of the indicators and figure out if that strategy goes well with what you're doing. Okay, so we're going to talk about that today. If that is something that interests you, go ahead and smash that like button, follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at, and stick around because we're going to go in it today. It's a beautiful Friday. Let's see how we can do some gains over the weekend. Although I'm kind of seeing a lot more price action to the downside for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just not giving a single fuck. It's just downwards action and downwards action and downwards action. I don't even know, guys. I don't even know. Marquise84, big shout out to you, Marquise, over on the TikTok channel, asking, what do you think about the Etherverse? Etherverse? I've never heard about no damn Etherverse. Let me see. Let's go to my beautiful baby girl called Market Cap. Let's do some research on Etherverse. Never heard about that one, my man. But we're gonna go in it today. Is it a metaverse coin? Etherverse. Do you know the ticker of that, brother? Do you know which ticker is for the Etherverse? Big shout out for everybody here. XRP Queen, big shout out to you. Where you been, XRP Queen? We missed you. Haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? I hope you're doing super duper good. 345 Elote over on the TikTok saying BTC to 20K by the end of the year. You know what, my man? I'm kind of seeing that in the charts too. I'm seeing a lot of action playing to the downside for Bitcoin. You all know my target prices. We were talking about it from the last live stream. 21K, 20K. Those were my entry prices. I'm kind of seeing that is actually playing out. I could be completely wrong and full of shit. You never know. This fucker can twist at any moment. Okay? Kwame Martin over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Martin. How you doing, man? It's all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain trying to make these gains. Marquise84 is saying UTA. Oh, okay, so let me write that down. We're going to do a little bit of TA on that coin right there. UTHX. UTHX. Let me get out my handy dandy notebook so I can write down whatever coins you guys want to look at. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. You want to talk about some UTHX. Never actually heard about that coin, so we're going to find out. We're going to see what the hell are we going to do. We're going to make some money on that coin. XRP Queen saying, how are you? I'm doing super duper good. You know, just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. It is not the time to trade. We're gonna see some price action going to the downside on Bitcoin. I got some surgery on my mouth, so I'm healing from that. I'm just like a super chill kind of weekend. It kind of feels like that. You know, it's raining outside. It's not the time to go out. It's like a storm is brewing, and not just the weather, but also in crypto. So it's a kind of day where you just step back, you know, and just let the market do its thing. I don't know. It kind of feels like that. So, but we're going to go in it today. We're going to look at it. The XRP Queen saying, nope, XYO. Okay, so you want to talk about some XYO. Yeah, we can talk about some XYO. Of course we can. Let's go in it. Let's go. XYO. What do you think of the BRICS? Well, I don't know. There's a lot of rumors going around that BRICS is going to use XRP, and I don't really care about rumors that much. As if I don't see it happening, it's just a rumor. I don't pay attention, you know? I'm not going to overhype myself up of what the hell the world is doing unless it actually happens. If it actually happens, then we'll talk about it. But until I don't see concrete proof and things are in paper and they're actually happening and XRP is at $10, then I'm not going to believe it. I'm hearing that XRP Queen saying over on the TikTok, I'm hearing that they will not implement or launch their currency until 2024. Makes sense. Always remember, we're still a few months away from the halving. Those who are in the know and those who actually manipulate the price in their favor know this. So if any crypto project is 2024, okay, 2024 is the time to do so. Okay, not 2023. 2023 is for accumulation. Whenever we get these dumpy dumps, we buy some more on the way down. Okay. But the real trigger for the next bull cycle is next year, 2024. March 2024. That's when I'm going to start stacking up on all the Bitcoins. I'll sell my house. I'll get another job. I'll do whatever the hell I got to do. Sell my soul on the corner. I don't know. But I'm going to need more money if I want to buy some more Bitcoin because I'm flat ass broke right now. So, I'm just saying. Not financial advice. Don't ever do whatever I say. Of course not. But 2024, right after the halving, that's when I'm going to start stacking up on some Bitcoin. That's when you're going to see a big boom of projects just coming out of nowhere for Bitcoin. Okay, and the rest of the crypto markets. You're going to see. You'll see. It's going to play out in pretty much the exact same way from the last bull cycle 2021. XRP Queen saying over on the TikTok, yeah, not much is going to happen until March, April, or May. What I'm thinking is just there's going to be this little bit of a dumpy dump. Miners are going to sell all their supply of Bitcoin on the halving, and then they're going to buy the supply all over again right after the Bitcoin price dump. It's what they've been doing for every single cycle back in time. We go back in time for every 4 cycles. We see the exact same behavior. Miners sell their crypto supply. They dump the price and then they buy back in because they're going to get half of the supply for their efforts. So they got to drive the price, and miners drive the price of crypto. It's a fact. It's not you or me. It's miners. Okay. So miners dump the price. They get together and they all go like dump it. And then they do. Then they buy back in right after the halving. And that is the trigger for the next bull cycle. And you know the exact time that shit is going to happen? Right after we get the new president of the United States. So in November 2024, that's what I think it's going to be, the mega trigger to drive that price action to the upside. You'll see. And when am I going to start taking my profits? March 2025. Because remember, everything that goes up, it's bound to come back down. It's just physics, okay? Everything that goes up must come down. Crypto is the exact same thing. We get a bull cycle, and guess what? Right around the corner, a bear cycle. I don't know what's going to trigger the bear cycle on the next cycle. I don't even know. Maybe USD Tether is going to depeg from the dollar and dump everything. I don't know what the hell could happen. But I'm taking my profits on March 2025 and then enjoy some price action to the downside whenever it reverses. Buy back in and rinse and repeat for the future. That's it. That's the plan. That's what I'm going to do. That's probably what's going to play out. I don't know. Stick around and let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Facebook. I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price action. Let's see if we can get this account to $1 million per XRP. Let's go. Let me get some water and we'll start the class, guys. So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. I'm going to give you a little hour of power. Let's see what we can learn in this little hour of power. Get your charts ready because we're going to go in today. We're going to learn about my newly and improved indicators, the ones that I am using as of right now. Most of these indicators have been made thanks to ChatGPT. I have been dabbling in the whole ChatGPT verse. And pretty much 99% of my business is ran by ChatGPT, so no reason why not to use the tool if it's right there in front of us. It's completely free. So I'm going to show you what ChatGPT has done for me and my trading style. It's made indicators for me, and they're beautiful and super accurate. You're gonna, hey, if that is something that interests you, go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Follow and subscribe because we're going to go in it today. We're going to give it one more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. It's hot as balls in here. Let me make sure. Can we please get the air conditioner running? Thank you. $345 Elote over on the TikTok channel saying it's going to be a cold COVID-23 black swan and tank the price for the year. I'm hearing some rumors that we're now getting a whole new outbreak on COVID, and they're going to be reestablishing the whole staying inside and the whole mask thing. I don't know what the hell is going to happen with the markets when that shit happens. We've seen it all before. We know how to play the game. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Well, if we get some more price action to the downside, then we just buy some more. We just buy some more. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from all of my streaming platforms. I'm streaming on every single platform at 5 p.m. Eastern every day, every damn day. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin because it's going to repeat on every other coin out there. Okay, so if you're going to do your TA, just do it on Bitcoin and it's going to repeat the exact same way on every other coin out there. Bitcoin is king for now. Maybe not in the future, but for now, today, it is. So we're going to follow what the hell Bitcoin is doing. I'm going to talk about my daily chart. I always start my trades looking at the daily chart. Why the daily chart? Because the daily chart gives me momentum. It tells me what the price is going to be doing in the near future. And we always trade with momentum, in favor of the momentum. It is rule number one. Trade with the momentum. The trend is your friend until the end. Okay? And then we zoom in and we look at what the hell are the last 3 candles doing as of right now. The last 3 candles that I'm looking on the screen right here, this is the daily chart, are T candles. Whenever we get a grouping of green candles like the ones that you're looking on the screen right now, whenever we get that green, like that T candle, T candle, T candle, T candle, that is a no trade zone. Okay. Big shout out to James over on the TXR. Thank you for those likes. Thank you. What's up, James? It's all good. Good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Time to make these gains. Taking it little by little. Took a super chill today on Friday. I took my pills. Surgery went well. The doctor said that I'm doing super good. I'm healing super fast. So that's super good to see. It hurts a little bit when my tongue scrapes through the stitches. They took out the stitches today. So, just taking it easy. Chill. I'm super chill. The pills got me like I'm in the 4th dimension, But I'm doing super duper good, my man. I hope you are too. So you're looking on the screen right now. We got 3 T candles stacked up together. That is a no trade zone. That means that I am not going to be trading Bitcoin as of today, because those candles just mean that the market is an indecision. The market doesn't know what it wants to do. So if the market doesn't know, I don't know. So I'm not going to be trading Bitcoin until we get some clear direction happening around on the charts. Okay. So as of today, as of right now, it's a no trade zone for Bitcoin. Okay. But if you're a betting man, betting person, and you want to trade Bitcoin, hey, you do you, boo-boo. Go to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart, we actually have a little bit of price action to the upside. Okay. Remember that on the daily, we got some T candles. What did T candles mean? No trade zone. We don't know what price is going to go. But over here on the 15-minute chart, we got some price action to the upside. Okay, so if you're a betting man and you don't care about your money, upwards is the momentum in the 15-minute charts. So those little scalp type of trades to the upside, now it's a good time to be on a little bit of a long. Okay, not financial advice. You do whatever the hell you want. But my indicators and what I'm looking on the charts, they're all telling me, hey, we're probably going to see some upwards momentum. I don't know. Low risk, low reward type of trades, 3x on your leverage trade. On a long, put a stop loss to 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. I don't know. I'm not going to do it. Okay. I am not going to be trading Bitcoin today. Okay. Not until we get clear direction on the daily. Okay. Clear direction on the daily. Okay. So that, guys, is Bitcoin. Now, in no way, shape, or form does that mean that we're not going to set up my price ranges. We have a high. We have a low. And we have a retracement of the low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. That reverse shark fin formation draws me what? My Fibonacci levels in reverse. Okay? And there it is. That is my reverse shark fin formation. Actually, you know what? I think I can do even better. Let me take it from here. This is the high point. This is the low point. There we go. Much better. That's your Fibonacci levels. Okay. And this is my target price to getting in on some Bitcoin action. One is set at 22,000 and the other one is set at 21,000. That's what I mean when I say that I'm probably going to see some low 20s. Low 20s for some Bitcoin action. 22,343 and 21,218. Okay. Momentum is to the downside. So let's see if this price range actually plays out. Okay, actually plays out. If it does dump to 22K, I'm going to buy some Bitcoin. If it dumps to 21K, I'm going to buy some more Bitcoin. Okay, can it go lower? Of course it can go lower. And if it does, guess what? We buy more Bitcoin. We rinse and repeat until we got no more money no more. And when we got no more money, what do? We borrow more money. Nah, don't do that. That's stupid. Don't ever do that. Not financial advice, guys. Big shout out to 345 Elote. How you doing, my man? It's all good, good. You know how it is. Yeah, it's a little bit painful over on the tooth. You know how it is? I went in for a root canal, and they said, nope, you got bigger problems than that. And I'm like, oh, shit. So they injected calcium directly into the, whatever this is called, this bone right here, the medulla oblongata. I don't know what this is called. They injected calcium directly into the bone because the infection was eating through the bone. And I'm like, fuck. So they took out the stitches today, and I'm a little bit woozy with the pills and the pain med and whatnot. So everything I'm saying right here might not be even true. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm saying. Take it with a grain of salt. You never know. Big shout out for everybody here, guys. Let me take some water. I drink some water. It said I had to drink a lot of water when I'm taking the pills, so I'm drinking water. So yeah, guys, my target price for some Bitcoin action, 22,000 and 21,000. Okay, take a screenshot of that if you want to play it out the exact same way that I do. It's right there. That's just whenever, if it doesn't mean that it's going to go to 22K or 21K, but if it does, I'm locked in and I'm ready to go. Okay, I'm ready to buy more Bitcoin at that price range. Okay, we might not get to there. And it doesn't matter. If we don't get there, then we don't get there. We reset the Fibonacci levels and we try again. Never ever trade with emotions and don't just follow a trade out of a hunch. No, play by the rules. The Fibonacci is there in your favor. Trade in favor of the Fibonacci, okay? Especially if you're just starting out crypto trading, okay? While you get the hang of it and you kind of learn how to read the charts by not even looking at indicators. You can sort of know and see when do you want to go in and when do you want to get out. But to get to there, it's like a language. You got to practice. Repetition is the mother of skill. You got to practice every single day until it becomes second nature to you, you know? It took me what? I've been doing this for 15 years. 15 years. Wow, 15 years. So yeah, it takes a long fucking time. But hey, that's what I'm here for. We're going to teach you today. Okay, guys? We're going to teach you today. So as of right now, on Bitcoin is a no trade zone. So my target price are set at 22,000 and 21,000. Okay? Moving on to my beautiful baby girl, Ethereum. For Ethereum, it's basically the exact same scenario. Remember that if Bitcoin goes one way, Ethereum is going to do the exact same thing. So if we're talking about Ethereum, it's going to behave pretty much the same way that Bitcoin is behaving. Bitcoin is dumping, Ethereum is going to dump. My target price to start stacking up on more Ethereum is 1,329 and 1,236. Okay, if it plays out the exact same scenario that Bitcoin was going to play out, if we get to 21K Bitcoin, we're probably going to get to 1,300 Ethereum. Okay, those are my target prices. That's how I am going to be playing Ethereum. Okay, if it reaches it, hooray, we bought more Ethereum. If it doesn't, hooray, we reset the Fibonacci levels and we try again. Okay. Moving on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing as of right now? I have no idea. Let's find out. We have a high. We have a low. And we have a reversal of the low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. That reverse shark fin formation gives me what? My Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our beautiful Fibonacci levels. We got that test of the golden zone right here. We're waiting for that breakout of the 382 to the downside. If it breaks out to the 382 to the downside, then I'm sad to say that we're probably going to see mid 30 XRP again. Okay. In no way, shape, or form is that a bad thing, because if it keeps going lower, guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm just going to start stacking up on more XRP. I'm going to start stacking up on more Bitcoin. I'm going to start stacking up on more Ethereum. These are all just buying opportunities. The lower it goes, the more I buy. The lower it goes, the more I buy. I don't care about what people are saying. Oh, it could go to a cent per XRP. Then guess what I'm going to do? Buy more XRP. Okay? So my target price to start stacking up on more XRP is in the mid 30s. I don't think that we're going to get to those price ranges, okay? But I could be completely wrong and full of shit, okay? 574 and 0.33008. So if you're a betting man and you don't care about your money, take a screenshot of that and play it out the exact same way that I do. Completely up to you. You trade however the hell you want to trade it. But those are my target prices to start stacking up on more XRP. Okay, if it breaks to the downside, right now we're testing that 382 level. Okay, so I'm going to keep an eye out on that. Okay, I'm going to keep a very close eye out on that, because if that sucker gets broken to the downside, then this scenario is highly likely. Okay, highly likely. Not saying that it will. It is not written in stone, but if it does, guess what? I'm strapped in. I'm locked and loaded, ready to shoot to buy more XRP at those two price ranges to the downside. Okay? So, for me, it's a downwards momentum, so I'm going to trade it at a downwards momentum. Okay? It really is that simple, okay? Big shout out to Scott Campbell over on the Facebook. Thank you for that like over on the Facebook page, Scott. How you doing, Scott? It's all good. Good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy, going little by little. Oh man, my tooth is starting to hurt a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. It's ridiculous. It feels so weird because the operation, what they did, they scraped the whatever. I don't know what this is called. The medulla oblongata. I don't know what this is called. But you know that your tooth is like on the thing, on this piece right here. Well, this piece right here is lower. So I can feel my molar on top, like higher than usual. It's a weird ass feeling. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But when my tongue scrapes through it, oh man, I feel it. I feel it. But it is what it is. It is what it is. James over on the TikTok saying, in TikTok screen is too far, so we cannot see nothing in the charts. Brother, head on over to my YouTube channel. I stream on YouTube on 4K. Unfortunately, I cannot stream using the software for TikTok. TikTok doesn't allow me to stream on the software for some reason. I don't know why. Every time I stream with the software, it automatically closes my. It gives me a community guideline and it closes my live stream. I don't know why. So I can't use the software. The quality sucks. But I promise you that if you head on over to my YouTube channel, the quality is at 4K. So head on over to my YouTube channel. Link in my link tree in my bio. So head on over to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to. And the quality there is a billion times better. Okay? One day, maybe TikTok will like me and let me stream with higher quality. But for now, I can't do that as of just yet. I'm not famous enough, I guess. But head on over to my YouTube or Twitch. I also have a Twitch channel, or Kick if you want to see it on Kick. I'm in every single platform out there, okay? And I stream in 4K on all of them, okay? So go ahead and head on over there, okay, guys? So that is my price range for some XRP bags. Okay, but only, and if only we break to the downside that 50-cent high support zone that has been here for a very, very, very long time. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. This, let me change the color here. I'm gonna change it to a nice little blue color. Okay, there you go. This is where XRP needs to stay if it wants to keep going to the upside. But if it breaks through the downside, we're probably going to see that 36-cent XRP again. And that in no way, shape, or form, I'm saying it, guys, in no way, shape, or form is that a bad thing. No. Because if it goes to 36, I'm going to buy a fuck ton of XRP. And if it goes to 33, I'm going to buy even more of a fuck ton of XRP. Okay, I already got it loaded, ready to go. I already have all the funds over here in my BitGet account. And look at this. These are all my buy orders on the way down. Okay. Scott Campbell over on the Facebook page saying, I think it will go to 36 cents when the escrow drops. Yes. Oh, that's a good point, Scott. Thank you for bringing that over. Remember that on the 1st of September, XRP drops 1 billion XRP into the market. They transfer it from the escrow account and they drop it into the open market. And usually prices tend to go to the downside. I don't think it's going to be enough to drive it all the way down to 36 cents. I could be completely wrong, Scott. But if we are right, put your limit buy orders at 36. Put your limit buy orders at 36 and 33. 36 and 33. Okay. I don't know if it actually is going to play out, but if it does, we're locked and ready to go. And if this fucker pumps from here and it doesn't break to the downside, hooray, because we still hold a lot of XRP. All of my XRP holdings are still here. Let me go to my assets so you guys can see it. Oop. What do you mean it can't be read? Okay, that's weird. My BitGet account says it cannot be reached. What is happening with BitGet? Don't scare me, BitGet. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so BitGet is down. Can't do anything about that. Come on. What is happening with BitGet? Let me see if I can open it on my Chrome browser. Could it be the browser? Give me a second here, guys. Let me see if I can open it on my Chrome browser. Okay, so it opens on my Chrome browser and I can't open it on BitGet on my Opera browser? What is happening with the Opera browser? No. That is weird. Well, technical issues, guys. Technical issues. I'll log into that one later and I'll show you guys my entries, okay? But apparently for now, BitGet is not opening on my Opera browser. I'll check it out later. So like I was saying, 36 cents, that is my target price to getting in on some more XRP. 36 and 33. Okay? Moving on to some XYO. You guys wanted to talk about XYO. Ooh. That's a kick-ass song. I like that song. What's that song name? Let me write that down, that song. I like that song. Dominic. Geringer. What the fuck? Chemical. Cool. Kick-ass song. I like it. Chemical engineering, I think. Engine. Chemical engineer. Chemical engineer. That's the name of that song. That's a kick-ass song. I like it. Scott, what over on the Facebook channel saying, could we look at VeChain? Yeah, we can talk about some VeChain. Let me write it down over here. VeChain. I believe that VeChain is a bottom coin. We haven't seen upward swings. I don't know. I'll look at it because I'm not 100% sure just yet. Okay, so we can look at some VeChain. XYO. Let me zoom out for a second here. Let me see what XYO is doing. Well, XYO is a bottom coin. Okay, what I call bottom coins are coins that are trading right at the bottom. Right at the bottom. Okay, the one and only support you have is the bottom. And guess where it's trading as of right now? Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Right here on the bottom. Let me put the line over here. This is the bottom. and it bounced exactly from there. So you have two choices. You either buy at exactly the double bottom so that you can have a double bottom scenario. Double bottoms are bullish. They tend to bounce from there, but I do not see the volume. Okay. I don't see the cash flow. I don't see any movement whatsoever. All I'm seeing is downwards momentum from here. Okay. So XYO, it's not a go for coin as for trading actively right now. It is the type of coin that you buy and you hold for the next bull cycle. I'm saying that it could go lower. Okay. We're probably going to see some more lower action on XYO. That's what I think. Okay. That's what I think. Completely up to you. Okay. If you want to buy some XYO, it's a no-go for me. Okay. It's a no-go for me. Unless you're buying it for the next bull cycle. Okay. The next bull cycle. We're talking about 2025. Okay. You buy it now. You put it in your ledger device if you can, or your cold storage device, and you hold on to it for March of 2025. Okay. That's how I use the bottom coins. When they're trading right at the bottom, you stack up, you hold on to them for the future. For the future. Let's say that you buy, let me see how much would it cost me to buy 100,000 of those coins. Let me see. XYO. Wow, look at that volume. The 24-hour volume is $200,000. If I wanted to manipulate the price of this coin, all I need are $200,000. That is risky as shit. Let me put 100,000. If I was gonna buy 100,000 of this coin, it would cost me $300. It would cost me $300 to buy $100,000 XYO coins. Buy them, put it in your ledger, and forget about them for the next bull cycle, and let's see how it plays out. What do you got to lose? $300? Not financial advice, but hey, I'd rather lose $300 than to bet everything on a single coin and lose everything. You know, play it smart. Play it smart. That's all I got to say. Let's talk about some VeChain. My man Scott Campbell over on the Facebook saying he wanted to talk about some VeChain. VeChain. Can we get some VeChain on KuCoin? Yes, we can. All right. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. VeChain. Let me zoom out. All right. So no, this got some history right here. This got some good history right over here. Okay. So we got the whoop, whoop. Okay. Perfect. Let me zoom in. Okay. So VeChain, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a retracement of that low. Okay. We got a reverse shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So I'm going to draw out my beautiful Fibonacci levels. And what is VeChain doing as of right now? Your support is the 382 at 1 cent. Okay. Keep an eye out for that, Scott. That's your support line. Okay. High support line to the downside. If it breaks to the downside, what do you think is going to happen? This is your target price right down here. Okay. So more price action to the downside, especially if Bitcoin doesn't cooperate, okay? If Bitcoin keeps going lower, you're probably going to see this price action right over here, 3, 4, 7, and 0.0116925. So if you're a betting man, go ahead and take a screenshot of that, okay? Do what you got to do. Trade it however the hell you want to trade it. But if it was me, I'm going to keep an eye out, put an alarm over here on TradingView. You can put alarms. You can create an alert, okay? Whenever it crosses to the downside at a certain price range, which you already know which one it is, 0.0157. If it crosses to the downside, most likely it's going to go down to 125 and 116, okay? That's where you're going to want to start stacking up on your VeChain, okay? Only and if only Bitcoin doesn't cooperate and it keeps going lower. Okay. Chapulín, Colorado, over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Chapulín. How you doing, my man? It's all good, all good. Chilling like a villain, trying to make these gains. You know how it is, trying to catch whatever we got to do. We make some money. Taking it super duper little by little. I'm super chill right now. Taking it easy. I'm going to enjoy the weekend. I don't think I'm going to be trading this weekend. This doesn't look like a tradable weekend. I'm just going to let the market do its thing. More price action to the downside. Set my target prices and set my limit buy orders. And let the market do whatever the hell it wants to do. Martin over on the YouTube saying H-bar. You want to talk about some H-bar? Yeah, we could talk about some H-bar. Super duper interesting in H-bar. Chapulín over on the TikTok saying slow lately. Yeah, it's a chill day, you know. Invite some friends over, smoke some weed, listen to your favorite music, and just chill. That's a weekend for me, you know. Just sit back, let the market do its thing. I'm high on fucking pills because of my surgery, and I'm just gonna chill the fuck out, you know. Chill the fuck out. That's what this weekend kind of looks like. It's a little bit dangerous to trade. Not really interested in trading, okay? Ooh, that's a kick-ass song. Let me write that song, guys. I love this fucking YouTube channel. This is my favorite type of music right here. Some melodic trance type of music. Let me see what we got. We got Bati 7. Never heard of them. Trinity. I like that song. It's a kick-ass song. And that, my man Scott, is my target price for some V-Chain. I could be completely full of shit, brother. This could actually bounce from here. All you got to do is keep an eye out for that support line on the 382. If it gets broken to the downside, 125. And 116. If it doesn't and it breaks to the upside above the 618, then we reset our Fibonacci levels. We figure out what the new 618 is and we go back in. Okay? And we go back in. All right, let's look at some H bar. Oh man, this is hurting like crazy now. You're welcome, Scott. Big shout out to Scott Campbell over on the Facebook channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, Scott. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh. Looking at some H-bar action. This was from previous live streams. Gave you guys the signal to get in on right here. So I really hope that you took advantage of that. I hope that you were here. This was from previous live streams. You see how it's all playing out exactly? That was a beautiful, beautiful trade right there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Start stacking up on your 382s. Hope you did, and you were being profits right now. This was a great trade right here. I remember when we did this. So let me get rid of this. Let's just reset the levels and let's do it all over again. So for H bar, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels, and guess what we had right here? This was the support on the 618. This was your signal to getting in on some more H-bar action, okay? It broke above the 382, okay? So if it breaks above and maintains that 382 status, your target price to take some profits on H-bar are right here at the negative 382 and the negative 618. So your target price to getting on some H-bar action to take your profits on H-bar is, damn it, 0.09738. Okay. And 0.11331. Okay. Obviously, this only happens if Bitcoin cooperates. I'm seeing downwards action on Bitcoin, so I'm not 100% sure that it is actually going to play out to the upside like this. But if it does, hey, play it how it's supposed to be. Get in at, this is your when you want to start buying more H-bar is right here. 0.05124. Okay. So we get in at 5 cents, we get out at 9. Okay? And that trade would be beautiful. If it actually plays out, I'll show you right now how much it would make in that trade right there. If it actually does play out, we're talking about an 88% on your trade. 88%. That's a fuck ton. I don't know if it actually is going to play out like this, exactly like this, but that would be beautiful. I don't know. Let me see what the momentum waves are giving me over here. Let me see. Give me a second. It's looking a little naughty. It's looking like the girl next door, you know. She's teasing me. She does it. I don't know what she wants. But H-bar, I don't know. She looking kind of sexy. I'm going to write down some H-bar. I'm thinking about stacking up on some H-bar. Let me put it over here. Let me put a little asterisk next to H-bar because it looks kind of saucy. She looking kind of kinky. I'm stacking up on some H-bar. Why not? Why not? And that, guys, is my H-bar plan. But yeah, like I said, this weekend kind of looks a little bit slow, a little bit chill mode, a little bit dangerous on Bitcoin, actually, to be honest. It looks kind of a bit dangerous on Bitcoin. Maybe some breakout to the downside back to the low 20s. And if that is true for Bitcoin, it's probably true for every other coin out there. So keep an eye out. Don't stress. Let the market do its thing. Buy on the way down. And those are my target prices, okay? Those are my target prices. Martin over on the YouTube channel saying XLM. Of course, we could talk about some XLM action. So on XLM, yeah. On XLM, we got that power to the downside. It is trading exactly on the 0.5. We want to maintain that 0.5, but I'm kind of seeing that when I might not hold on to that 0.5. So my new target price to getting in on some XLM is right here at 10 cents. And I've always said, XLM less than 10 cents is a buyable coin. If you can get XLM below 10 cents, you buy the absolute fuck out of XLM, okay? You buy the absolute fuck out of XLM. That's my target price to stacking up on more XLM. Okay? And if it actually does play out, then my target, my next levels on the way down are right here. I'm going to give them to you right now. I'm going to give you 3 limit buy orders to start stacking up on your XLM. Okay? I gave you 0.109 and 0.100078 and 0.093809. All right, Martin. These are your limit buy orders to start stacking up dollar cost averaging on the way down for XLM. Okay? Set them up on whatever exchange you wish to use, but if it was me, this is what I would do. Okay? These 3 buy orders right there. Hold on to them for the next bull cycle. We'll talk about it on 2025. Okay? Oh man, this is killing me. My man Martin wants to talk a little bit about render. Let's talk about some render action. I believe we talked about render on the last live stream. Let's see how that one played out. Oh, yeah. Look at this, my man. Check this one out, brother. Check this out. See? It played out exactly. It bounced exactly on the target of $1.26. Okay? So from that previous live stream, hope that you were here. Hope you took advantage of it. Okay? But this is the target price, $1.2637. Okay, $1.2637. And $97.95. Okay? Render, those are your target prices, are $1.26 and 97 cents. Okay? 97 cents. Let's see if it actually plays out. Let's see if it actually plays out. But this one played out beautifully. Right there. Boing. All right, guys. So on today's class, I'm going to stop the technical analysis portion of the class. Now we're going to talk a little bit. I'm going to be teaching you something new, okay? I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be revealing to you the secrets of the universe. Nah, fuck that. I'm going to give you my indicators, okay? These are the indicators that I use when I do the trades, which is what you're looking on the screen right now. I don't put much faith in indicators, okay? I put a lot more faith into experience. Repetition is the mother of skill. You do this over and over again until it becomes second nature to you, and then you become a great trader. Indicators are indications. They're suggestions of what the market might be doing. They're not set in stone. They don't work 100% of the time, okay? But it's just a little added piece of information that you're going to be using and adding to your charts so that you can make a better and more informed decision. Everybody who's a trader is in finance, and everybody who is in finance, we are like fortune tellers, okay? Fortune tellers use historical data or previous behaviors to sort of deduct what the hell is going to happen in the future. That's what we do when we look at the charts. When we look at the charts, we're using historical data to see what the hell could happen tomorrow. Obviously, unless we have a time machine that it doesn't work 100% of the time. If it would work 100% of the time, I'd be working in Wall Street. Okay? I wouldn't be giving these live streams. Okay? I'd be probably in a dark room in Wall Street where they're not going to let me get out, and then I win every single trade. It's just not going to happen, okay? So the indicators that I use over on TradingView, the ones that I'm going to be teaching you how to use today, are 3 of them, okay? Since there are only 3, you can use the free version of TradingView. TradingView, the free version, allows you to use up to 3 indicators. So the first indicator that we're going to use, go up here where it says indicators, okay? And you're going to type Trader XO, okay? And it's this from right here called BTC Charlie. This is a new indicator. I didn't make this indicator, okay? The credit does not go to me. It goes to BTC Charlie, okay? And what this indicator does, and then you go to the settings wheel of that indicator, and these are the settings that I use. I believe I used the default settings, okay? You don't have to change anything at all, okay? What this indicator does is that it gives me these little signals right here where it says bear. You see it? You see it on the screen? It says bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull. These little red triangles and green triangles, okay? Basically, what that indicator is telling you is that it's telling you when the moving averages are crossing one another. When they cross to the downside, momentum is down. When it crosses to the upside, momentum is to the top. Okay, it's up. Okay, now that doesn't necessarily mean that the prices are going to go up or are going to go down, but they are suggesting that momentum is to that direction. And since we always trade with the trend, we're going to pay attention to that trend. Okay, so for example, look at this indication right over here. it gave me a bear signal, meaning that the moving averages are crossing to the downside. Okay, they're crossing to the downside. Well, that means that prices will probably go to the downside. And guess what? They did. Okay, in this instance, it actually played out beautifully. It would have been one hell of a short signal. Okay, it would have been a beautiful shorting opportunity because prices were going to go down. So, at least in that instance, it worked out. Look at this one. If we keep going back in time, this was a bull signal. It said that the price was going to go up. And guess what? It did. The price went up. Look at this one. It says bear. That means that prices are going to go down. And check what? Check that out. It did. Price went down. Scott Campbell over. Big shout out to Amer. Amer, how you doing, my man? It's all good or good? Yeah. Trader XO. Let me go to the indicators tab and let me write it down for you one more time. You put trader. My internet went off. No, my stream went down. What the hell is happening with my internet? Chapulín over on the TikTok saying, are you recording this on YouTube? Yes, everything is recorded on my YouTube channel. So you can head on over to my YouTube channel and you can check that out, okay? Everything is in my YouTube channel. My internet went down. Is it back up? Yeah, it looks like it's back up. Guys, let me know in the chat box if you can still see my stream. Because it gave me a notification that it went down for some reason. That's weird. Anyways. So yeah, guys. So that indicator pretty much tells you when the prices are going to go up and when the prices are going to go down. Doesn't work 100% of the times, but it gives you a great suggestion. For example, let's just keep going. Look at over here. Said bull, prices went up. Perfect. Bear, prices went down. Perfect. Bull, prices went up before it happens. Okay, so this indicator, I fucking love this indicator. I've been trying it out for a few months and it is beautiful. Okay, like I said, all indicators are suggestions. They're not written in stone. They can be wrong. Set your stop losses, blah, yada yada. Okay, always take them with a grain of salt. Always take them with a grain of salt. That is indicator number 1, Trader XO. Okay. Indicator number 2, go to the indicators tab, and you're going to type impulse MACD. Okay. Impulse MACD. It's this one by Lazy Bear. Okay. Impulse MACD. Amir over on the YouTube saying, yes, it went off. All good now. I don't know why. The internet just decided to fuck with me. So, but if you guys can see it okay again, then we're good to go. Impulse MACD by Lazy Bear. Activate it, put it in your favorites, and then you go to the settings wheel. On the settings, you go to style. And these are the colors that I use. You can use any colors that you want, completely up to you. Okay. I use blue, a very nice bright blue so I can see the lines. And make sure that is the line. Okay. And just pretty much take a screenshot of what you're looking on the screen right now and repeat it over on your MACD or on the style. Then you go to inputs, and on length MA, you put 12. And on length signal, you put 26. Okay? 1226. 1226. And the style, these are the colors that you're going to use. Okay? You hit OK, and it's this indicator down here. Okay? What does the Impulse MACD give you? It gives you more momentum.